am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We will take care of you and your car after an accident. In this case, our goal is to also take care of the smallest people in your family too. Did you know that the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recommends replacing a car seat after a moderate or severe crash, even if a child was not in the seat at the time of the accident? The only time to not replace a car seat is if the crash is minor. To be considered a minor crash, the vehicle needs to be driven away from the crash site, and the vehicle door nearest the safety seat was undamaged, and there were no injuries to any of the vehicle occupants, and no airbags deployed, and there was no visible damage to the safety seat. Now, even in a minor crash, it is a good idea to check with your car seat's manufacturer to see what their stance is on the safety of your seat after a crash. We make it easy at Runway Auto by providing that list from the car seat manufacturer's requirements after a crash. At Runway Auto, we concern ourselves with your cars and your little tyke's safety. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialist you can trust to take care of you, your car, and your kids.